Question 9. The scores on an algebra examination are illustrated in the given stem and leaf plot. What is the arithmetic mean of the median and mode of the given scores? This is an interesting question because it has a whole lot of things all going on at once. Let's break them down step by step. Stem and leaf plot. I created a video that talks through this stem and leaf plot as an introduction. It'll be on the playlist with this video. Please go and search it on YouTube if you want to find out what stem and leaves are all about, or just do a general Google, that'll tell you too. So for this particular question, we've got a stem and leaf plot. Now, the question doesn't actually give us a key, but it's really, really important to have a key with a stem and leaf, because how do you know what each of the numbers mean? This 5 here and this 1 means 51. So this is like having one piece of data that's 51. This one here is like having 52. This one here is 62, 65, 66. So if I was to list all of this data in a row, I'm not going to because there's way too many pieces, but it would start 51, 52, 62, 65, 66, 68, 68. So I've gone along there, 62, 65, 66, 68 here, and then another 68, and it would continue until you got all the way up to 90 and 99. Okay, so that's all of those numbers in a long row. We've got to find different things. We've got to find the most. No, it's called the mode. It asks you for the mode, and the mode is the most. Which number appears the most times? Now, one thing that can get really confusing is if you're thinking, oh, it must be 1 because there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 ones. That's not what these numbers represent. This digit here, this 1 does not represent a 1. It represents 51. This one here represents 71. So these are two different numbers. They are not both 1s. What we're looking for is within a single row, which digit repeats itself the most. It is these 1s here, but the mode is not 1, it is 71, 71, 71, 71. The mode is 71. The median is the middle. It's the piece of data in the middle. Now, if you count up all of these pieces of data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27. So there are 27 pieces of data. 27 pieces. And if you had them in a long line, and then you started crossing them off until you get to the center, the middle piece of data is the 14th. If you're not sure why, go and have a look at median, but it will be the 14th piece of data, it'll be the middle piece here. And because these are in order, they're in numerical order, counting up 51, 52, 62, 65, 66, going up to 71. We can actually count the 14th piece of data. This is the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got to the 8th piece of data. 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13, 14. This is now our 14th piece of data. But this is not just a 5, it is a 75. Okay, so we now have our mode and we have our median. And the question says, what is the arithmetic mean of the median and the mode? Really weird way of doing it. The mean, what's the arithmetic mean of the median and the mode? Well, we've got two pieces of data, so we're going to divide it by 2 because it's the mean piece of data. And we're just going to replace where it says median and mode with 71, 75, which gives us 146 divided by 2, which is 73. So the answer here is actually 73. As I said, lots of different elements going on. You need to be secure in what mode, median, and mean relate to and how you work them out. Mode is the most, median is the middle, and mean, I often describe it as adding and divide, or add and divide. What we're doing, it says the mean of the median and mode. I don't think I've ever had to do that before. This is a competition. It tends to get pretty tricky. But the median piece of data is 75. The mode is 71. You add and divide by 2 because there are 2 pieces of data to get 73. And 73 is the answer.